Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Today we want to talk about smart bracelet called LYNWO M9. It has stylish design, color screen, blood pressure, blood oxygen and heart rate monitors, IP67 water resistance and up to 30 days of battery life. If you are still not surprised, then how about the price of $19? Yeah, this smart bracelet is so cheap but offers so many interesting features. So let's start with unboxing and then review design, main functions and mobile app. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. It motivates us to make more videos for you. LYNWO M9 comes in a cardboard white box. There is an image of smart bracelet on the front side, while on the back there is product description and main features. When you open the box, you will see a small instruction how to turn on and charge the bracelet. Under it, you can find smart bracelet, charging base, and user manual. Also, it is budget smart bracelet. LYNWO M9 has very good package. By the way, did you see this charging base? It is very unusual, because most smart bands come with magnetic charging, but here is something new. Okay, now let's talk about design of LYNWO M9. We have a version with silver dial and black strap. Also, there are other models with black dial and black, gray, blue or red straps. The smart bracelet has round dial and metal frame. The screen has a diagonal of 0.95 inches and resolution of 96 by 64 pixels. This is IPS panel with 98% of color gamut. In fact, the screen is square. The touch button is located under the screen. On the other side of the screen there is charging connector and heart rate monitor. If we talk about strap, it is made of silicone and it is very comfortable on the wrist. There are special holes for the hand to breathe and not sweat. The dimensions of LYNWO M9 is 260 by 30 by 10 mm and weight is about 135 grams. Another important feature of this smart bracelet is IP67 water resistance. You can use the gadget under the water, for example, when you take in a shower, swimming in a pool or just walking in the rain. Now let's talk about main functions of LYNWO M9. So the main screen of smart bracelet provides information about time, date, battery level, steps and burnt calories. You can press the touch button under the screen to change functions. There are steps, distance, calories, training modes, heart rate monitor, blood pressure monitor, blood oxygen monitor, messages and more. Among the training modes, you can see walking, running, bicycle and hiking. Also, we tested heart rate, blood pressure and blood oxygen monitors. We cannot say how accurate are they, but they really work. These are all functions that smart bracelet has. However, you can get more with application on your phone. Now let's connect LYNWO M9 to a mobile device. First, you need to download and install the app called JU. You can find it on Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Open the app and create new account. After that, you will be prompted to connect smart bracelet. Also, you can go to Settings menu and choose Binding Equipment. That's all. By the way, you can connect smart bracelet to both Android and iOS devices. As we already said, the companion app provides some more functions. Here you can see 5 tabs on the bottom: Status, Sleep, Sport, Data and Settings. The first 4 tabs provides information about your daily activities, sleep and training, but we are interested in the last tab. The settings menu has following options: statutory reminder, device alarm, take photo, auto heartbeat detection, message settings, device time, safe power settings, and some options about software version. To be honest, companion app for LYNWO M9 doesn't differ much from Mi Fit or any other apps for smart bands. If you already use smart bracelet, then you will not have problems with the app for this LYNWO M9. Talking about battery, it has a capacity of 100 mAh. The manufacturer says about 30 days of battery life in standby time. Of course, we cannot check it, but even if this smart bracelet works 15 days, it is very good result. The full battery charge takes only 1 hour. So, LYNWO M9 Smart Bracelet has similar features to many other smart bands in 2018, such as steps count, sleep monitor, messages, sports modes, etc. Yes, it also has heart rate, blood pressure, and blood oxygen monitors, but I don't really believe that they work great, because the price of smart bracelet is only $19. From other side, LYNWO M9 looks much more stylish than most smart bands of this year. It has round dial, comfortable strap, and color screen. Also, we should note about 30 days of battery life and IP67 water resistance. In other words, LYNWO M9 Smart Bracelet has many interesting features for its price. You can buy this gadget by the link in description. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.